So hindi pa tayo tapos mag-tour sa kanyang backyard. So nandito na naman tayo sa front yard. So guys, hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chris Life USA. Nandito na naman tayo sa highway. Okay guys, finally back home. Oh, finally back in the US. But right now, we are still here in California. And right now, ay may pupuntahan tayo at bibisitahin ko yung aking mga old time friend here in Sacramento. So, yeah. Nandito kami sa highway ngayon. Finally back to US na. Oh, di ba? At syempre, ayan, nandito tayo sa highway. Masyadong windy ngayon. Nasa highway 80 tayo.
Chris Life USA.
Yeah,
Come on. Not play. Let's go. Chris Life is here to complete your day. Today is another day. Premiering now. Chris Life USA. Seeking by Gambola. Chris Life USA. Support the haka.
Stay tuned and thank you for watching.
Chris Life USA. Stay in the left lanes.
That's new.
Chris Life USA. Here to stay. Down they dot
Mga bagong infrastructure
Chris
na
Life
dito
USA
guys. Oh.
premiere na. So wag kalimutan ha. Hit like button at mag-subscribe na. Chris Life USA premiere na. Hoy mag-stay ka. Chris Life USA premiere na. Salamat sa inyong suporta.
Even Pote, HUB Lane.
Chris Life USA.
West Sacramento. Oh,
Chris
there you
Life
go.
USA.
Kings.
Today is another day. Premiering now. Chris Life USA. Seeking by Gambola. Chris Life USA. Support the haka. Chris Life USA. Don't be away.
Ayan!
Chris Life USA. Here to stay. Don't make bira na. Chris Life USA.
there you
Premiere na.
go.
Tuso wag kalimutan ha.
Okay
Hit like
guys,
button at
this is it,
mag-subscribe na.
pansit.
Chris Life USA
Oh my
premiere na.
goodness.
Hoy,
Oh my God.
mag-stay
I
ka.
feel like
Chris
I'm
Life
in
USA
the
premiere na.
Garden of Eden
Salamat
guys.
sa
So,
inyong
ito
suporta.
nga ang backyard ng aking friend na super ganda-ganda. I remember this place.
Don't be away.
We were having a good time before here.
Chris Life USA is here to stay.
Uy, Ate Amy! Ano to? Cherry ba to? Oh my God, the cherry. Wow. The cherry. Tapos na ang, ano niya, nice flowers, and then ano na siya. At mga cherry,
Is Asian pear.
there's gonna be a lot of cherry na. Oh, ayan oh.
Yeah, I
Wow.
didn't even have time to clean the. But last year, it gave us a lot.
Wow.
I got a lot of weeds here.
Yan, pasyal ko kayo sa backyard ng aking kaibigan. Oh. Na ang daming plants and flowers and fruit trees.
I didn't have time this time.
Ito naman ay Asian pear. Is the skin is brown, right?
No, it's green. It's like apple. Little apples.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's a cross between a pear and apple. But it's so crunchy, juicy. And this one is nectarine.
Nectarine.
Yeah.
That one is nectarine. Wow. Look at this.
The leaves are curly this time. It's not good.
Wow.
So look at here.
Wow. Oh, blueberry, guys. Blueberry.
Yeah.
Oh, may pond din siya. Pond. Oh, ay, si mga koi fish. Ah, koi fish.
And Chris planted a tomato here last year. It's so big that goes up there. Yeah, it's so fat. The fruit, actually, it's good for the plants.
Wow.
See, you can smell.
Mhm.
It's from this flower.
Yeah. Yeah, I can smell that.
It's like with
Uy, ang ganda nito, oh.
open. So there's a lot of trumpets up there. That's
Ang
not
ganda
Yeah.
niya.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow.
And it's easy to propagate. You just
Wow.
Yeah.
you just cut this plant and put it in
Put it
a
in the
pot.
ground. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
You want that bag? You want to take this home with us? It says just put it in the ground and it'll grow.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You
Wow.
can just put, or wrap this in paper towel.
Keep it moist.
Yeah.
O, dito naman tayo banda. Wow, look at that, guys. Ooh. Oh. Geranium, guys, oh. Ganda ng kulay niya, oh. Wow, look at that. Apricot. Tapos nang mag ano.
These are just cuttings from there.
Ate Amy, what is this? Apricot? Wow!
Three. Four.
Apricots! These are apricots.
Yeah.
Wow!
It's
Yeah, okay.
look at this one here. I planted the roses in it too.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't really plant it. I just put it in the pot in the
There you go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
But I haven't trimmed it. So I didn't.
Wow.
Look at this. I got the bell pepper. Capsicum.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I put
Ano yan?
capsicum. Bell peppers.
Oh my
Look at that,
goodness.
yeah.
Yeah.
I have this one full of bell peppers. You can see it.
You got a whole vegetable and
This is
flower garden
tomato.
here, my goodness.
Tomatoes, and I put squash there. Because I don't like to see brown in there.
Oh.
So you could see I planted more
Yeah.
geranium.
So anong kahoy ito?
That was the maple, and it died.
Ah, it
His
died.
cousin was here, and that was already tall. Yeah.
Wow.
So this is
Pomegranate?
pomegranate, and it gave us fruit last year. It's only 3 years old.
Oh, wow.
See,
Pomegranate.
you got flowers
Yeah, you
now.
got some on there.
I
Oo
have to
nga.
cross pollinate, and that is jasmine. Look at that.
Oh.
And flowers.
Oh,
coming
yeah.
out.
Mhm.
Coming out soon.
Yeah.
Wow.
See, I got
So hindi pa tayo tapos mag-tour sa kanyang backyard. So nandito na naman tayo sa front yard. So guys, ito yung Hass avocado. 3 years pa lang ito guys na avocado. Namumunga, grabe ang bunga, oh. It's a lot of flowers. Is this avocado from seed? Wow. Only 3 years and it's giving you a lot of fruit already. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow.
What you guys, you too.
Wait, dito. Oh, ang ganda din nito, oh.
The rose, yeah,
Yung rose.
it's
Ang
survived when it's on. Because
ang
right
ganda.
now there's
Ang
hardly
ganda,
any
oh.
dirt in there.
Grabe. Ito talaga ang paborito ko, guys. Ang makita ang super ganda-gandang mga flowers dito. Tsaka mga plants ng aking friend.
So, but even with the
So, yun na nga, guys. Tapos na ang ating tour. dito sa bahay ng aking kaibigan na sobrang ganda ang kanyang backyard at madami-dami talagang mga plants. So, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done yet. If you haven't subscribed yet in my YouTube channel. Alright? So, thank you, Lord. At ano na kami? Nandito na kami ulit sa Amerika. Ayan. Beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. So, yun na nga guys. And nandito na tayo at tapos na ang ating tour dito sa backyard tour dito sa kaibigan ko. O di ba? Ang ganda talaga ng backyard niya. Super dami ng mga plants and flowers. Bye.
So his cousin is trying to get rid of this wrap, and I said no.